Welcome everybody on Happy Back to School. I'm Madame North. I will be teaching this French for Advanced course with Sarah Betancourt. A little bit of information about me. I'm from Saint-Lizier, a small town located in the Champagne area, 2 hours away from Paris. I completed all my college studies in France at the University of Nancy 2. I started to teach in my French hometown in the early 90s. After 9 years, I wanted to see some new places, and I was lucky enough to be selected by the French Foreign Ministry to work for 3 years in French immersion programs in New Jersey and in Louisiana. In 2006, I returned to New Jersey and I became a French high school teacher. I'm starting this year my 7 years as a French teacher in Princeton High School and my 27 years as a public school teacher in France and the United States. I'm teaching 5 courses this school year: French 4, French 5, French 6, French 4A and French 6A. In all my classes, my goal is that your child can speak at a proficient level with French speakers from different origins. Interpersonal speaking communication skills is an essential skill to achieve in a world language course. And to reach that goal, students must accept and welcome mistakes as evidence of learning. During remote learning, I'm available on Zoom during my office hours and upon appointment when needed. I'm new at Canvas. I'm a very new user, so I might have some bumps on my way, but I'm sure I will be fully functional in no time. I'm in the process of transferring all my teaching material to the new platform. To ensure individual participation in remote learning session, I'm currently using Pear Deck in all my classes. This is a Chrome extension that transforms my Google Slide into interactive activities. At the end of each session, I'm sending a Pear Deck takeaways to my students. It's an editable Google Doc that integrates a copy of all my slides on the note taken by your child. If a student is not present, I can create a student-paced version of the presentation, and students can make up all written and reading activities from the slide. But still, I need to contact them or I need to speak with them during my office hours to complete all the conversation activities that were going on during the session. During remote learning, I'm creating 1 micro unit a week. So students have to complete all the modules activities in chronological order, and all due dates needs to be respected to be ready for the next class. So next week I'm going to start the late work penalty. It's a 20% penalty. I will be back in my regular classes when the full remote learning period ends. I do not have my own class, so I will be traveling to 2 different rooms during the day. Students present in class will use Zoom to complete their interpersonal speaking activities, and they will engage in conversation with the students who are home, allowing them to improve their communication skills and to collaborate in projects. And all students will use their computers to complete all readings and writing assignments. Your child must not be using automated translation to complete their reading and writing assessment and assignment. Doing so will deprive them from learning a new language. This school year will be a learning experience unlike any other, and I'm so excited to see what we are all going to do with this. Happy new school year and happy back to school to all of you.
Hello families, I hope you are doing well and I'm wishing you a happy first day of school. My name is Sarah Betancourt and I'm going to be working as a student teacher in your child's French class this semester. I am a recent graduate from Princeton University where I studied French with a history focus. I also have a minor in teacher preparation, and so this is my last semester working towards New Jersey certification in both French and social studies education. This past spring, I did the first part of my student teaching, which I was working some of the time at the middle school and some of the time at the high school. I'm looking forward to being back at PHS and to getting to know your students in the classroom as we work through this challenging but also very exciting semester. Please keep an eye out for any communication from me throughout the semester, as I'll be taking over more teaching responsibility moving forward, and I will be in touch about that as we go on. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can contact me at sarahbetancourt@princetonkTwelve.org, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Once again, I'm wishing you all the best for this new school year, and I'm looking forward to learning with and from the students this semester. Hope you have a great day, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you more soon.